Another quick and easy fall DIY using Dollar Tree items. All right, so for this piece of fall decor, we're going to take those faux stack books. You can get this at Dollar Tree, and this is so cute. I found these and I love them more than the little crates that they used to have, but they still have the crates because these are bigger, so they look more like for stacked books. So I'm gonna pick this orange paint and then this white paint right here. I'm gonna paint the middle section white. You can paint in the creases or you cannot paint in them, just based on how you want the end product to look. But I gave that a couple of coats of white all the way around. So I did them one at a time. Once one dried, then I came back and just did another coat. Then I'm going to do the top part with the orange. I think this orange is giving more fall. It's the pumpkin orange than the other one from Dollar Tree. So again, I'm just painting around and I'm going to go around all of the ways and the top on this one. All right, these colors are great right here for fall. You could leave it just like that if you wanted to. I thought about it after the fact. I should have painted the bottom piece white too, but I just went directly. I thought I can get away with it. But I went directly to the applying the Mod Podge and then taking apart the 2-ply napkin from Dollar Tree and applying that all the way around. I should have known when I was doing it because I could see straight through it basically that I should have painted it. So once it dried and I didn't like it, I sanded that off. And then I'm going to come in, I'm going to paint and then reapply it. And then this is how it looks. I just cut off all of that excess there that I had going on. And then I tried to cut some wording with my Cricut with the Dollar Tree vinyl. It didn't come out well. So I'm just going to write it on with a Sharpie. You can do this with paint. You can do this with stickers. You can get a little better of a vinyl or maybe choose not so thin of lettering and do it with your Cricut or your Silhouette. But I just wrote them on with a Sharpie. It turned out fine. I sanded off the bottom edges there. And then I'm going to reattach that little like burlap style ribbon that was originally on the stack books there too. You can put on your own ribbon that goes with it. You can do this in so many different ways. But I just glued it just in the front and in the back and just pulled it nice and tight. And it fits perfect because it was what was originally on there. And then you can leave it just like that. But I decided just to add a little bit to the top there. So I have these faux pieces of greenery and then this little scarecrow hat. They come in a pack of 4 from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to just stack those on. So I'm going to stack the greenery and then just place the hat on top. I'm applying it all with just a little bit of hot glue. I placed it around how I thought it would look best. And really that was it. So you can customize these in so many different ways. And I think it's just a cute little fall DIY. So if you like, give it a big old thumbs up and thank you for watching.